What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best portable neck fans to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Jisulife FA35 Pro is a portable and bladeless neck fan designed to provide a cooling experience on the go. With its hands-free design, 360 degrees airflow, and bladeless technology, it offers a new standard of portable cooling. The fan is specifically designed to be worn around the neck, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free cooling sensation without the risk of tangled hair or exposed blades. Featuring a matte finish plastic construction, the Jisulife FA35 Pro feels well-made and durable. The fan output ports are located along the top of both sides, delivering airflow up along the sides and back of the neck for effective cooling in hot and humid conditions. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing a portable and convenient cooling solution. The fan offers a 360 degrees airflow, maximizing the sensation of a cooling breeze. Users have reported that the Jisulife FA35 Pro neck fan delivers a pleasant and refreshing cooling experience, especially in outdoor activities like walks, yard work, or outdoor lounging. It helps alleviate discomfort in hot weather by providing a nice cooling breeze around the head. It is not perfect for every outdoor activity, but it serves as a practical and comfortable cooling companion in various situations. Overall, the Jisulife FA35 Pro neck fan offers a convenient, bladeless, and hands-free cooling solution with its portable design, 360 degrees airflow, and comfortable wearing experience. It is an ideal companion for beating the heat during summer activities. The Rexera fan is a handy device designed to keep you cool and comfortable during hot summer days or when engaging in outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or travel. This mini USB bladeless neck fan is designed to be worn around your neck, providing a hands-free cooling experience. It has a sleek and lightweight design, making it easy to carry and wear for extended periods. One notable feature of the Rexera portable neck fan is its long battery life. With a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 20 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, ensuring you stay cool throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with a new copper-made brushless motor, this neck fan delivers strong wind and high-speed blade rotation for optimal air movement. The front cover features a fluid mechanical design that maximizes airflow, providing a powerful and refreshing breeze. Whether you're engaged in outdoor activities or simply looking for a convenient way to stay cool, the Rexera portable neck fan offers a reliable and portable cooling solution. Its ergonomic and wearable design, coupled with its powerful performance, makes it a great companion for those hot summer days. The Jisulife Neck Fan Pro is a portable and innovative cooling device designed to provide relief from the heat while on the go. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Jisulife has established itself as a trusted brand with over 15 million customers worldwide. One notable feature of the Jisulife Neck Fan Pro is its bladeless design, which ensures safe and quiet operation. It comes with a superior neck brace that helps relieve pressure and creates a comfortable airflow around the neck. The fan also features an intermittent cooling surface, providing a gentle and refreshing coolness. In terms of battery life, the Jisulife Neck Fan Pro boasts an impressive maximum runtime of up to 19 hours. This allows for extended use without worrying about frequent recharging. The fan offers different modes, including a super mode for maximum airflow and cooling. With 245 patented designs, Jisulife is committed to creating innovative gadgets that make life easier. Their range of products includes the FA12 bladeless neck fan and the 3-in-1 F8X Bare foldable fan, showcasing their dedication to portable fan solutions. Overall, the Jisulife Neck Fan Pro combines functionality, comfort, and convenience. Whether you're traveling, working out, or simply spending time outdoors, this portable neck fan provides a reliable and refreshing cooling experience. The Riya Neck Fan is a portable and lightweight device designed to provide a cooling experience during hot weather. It features a built-in 5,200 mAh high-capacity battery, allowing for up to 20 hours of usage when fully charged. With a 360-degree surround air supply and increased air volume by 90%, it offers fast cooling in just 3 seconds. The fan has 3 adjustable speeds to meet individual preferences. The neck fan is designed with an adjustable gooseneck made of food-grade silicone material, providing comfort and flexibility while preventing neck discomfort. It operates with low noise, thanks to its turbine design and bladeless airflow system, ensuring a quiet cooling experience without interference. The portable design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and reduce neck pressure. It can be charged conveniently through a Type-C charging port and offers a quick 3-hour charging time. This neck fan is suitable for various scenarios, including outdoor activities, personal cooling, office use, patio relaxation, camping, traveling, hiking, climbing, and watching sports. Its hands-free and stylish headphone-like design adds convenience and a cool appearance. The Torras L2 is a portable and lightweight cooling device designed to provide comfort and relief from heat. With its bladeless design and wearable form factor, this neck fan offers a convenient and hands-free cooling experience for individuals of all ages. One of the key features of the Torras L2 neck fan is its rechargeable battery, which allows for up to 8 hours of continuous use. This ensures that you can stay cool throughout the day without the need for frequent recharging. The fan operates quietly, providing a peaceful cooling experience. Equipped with 3 adjustable speeds, the Torras L2 neck fan allows you to customize the airflow according to your preference. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a stronger airflow, this fan has you covered. Additionally, the Torras L2 neck fan has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 1,481 ratings. Its lightweight design, ease of use, and reliable performance have garnered praise from users. It's important to note that there is also mention of the Torras Coolify 2S neck air conditioner, which boasts features like rapid cooling and app control. However, the specific focus of this overview is on the Torras L2. Overall, the Torras L2 neck fan is a reliable and portable cooling solution, perfect for anyone seeking relief from the heat while on the go.